guys, it's time to eat. Is everybody hungry? Huh? Is everybody hungry? Come on. Am I going to carry you over on my legs? Come on. Over here. Okay, there you go. Look it, it's time to eat. Let's move your water. Come on, everybody needs to eat. Come here. And Violet's not here. Come on, Violet. There you go. Get in there. Here, let's put you on this side. Don't you want to eat, Peppermint Patty? Come on. Peppermint Patty, you always eat the most. How come you're not eating today? Huh? And we left Mama outside because she would eat all the food. Come on, Peppermint Patty, you gotta get in there. You gotta eat something, huh? No, not today, hey? Here comes Sally. Come on, Sally. There you go, hon. Peppermint Patty, it's the same food you had yesterday. Don't want to eat any? Oh, Mom's crying. She wants to be in here eating, even though she already had 3 cans today. Oh, you're sitting in the water bowl. You two are just going to hang out with me. Okay. This is their second day of eating. It's pretty good stuff if you're a cat. And I got these ones don't want to eat. Let's just hang out. All my clothes are my beat up clothes because when I wore my jeans in here, they totally shredded them. Got to make sure everything's covered up. Otherwise, all those little scratches all over your arms and legs, and they hurt. What are you doing, Peppermint Patty? Huh? There's your sister. Yo, those little nails still getting through my pants. Oh. Lots of biting and rolling around and more fun than eating. How much food is left? Doing pretty good. And it's good Schroeder, the black one, is eating today because he didn't really eat yesterday. And the one with no tail, that's Marcy. And the one with a tail, right there, is Violet. So Violet, Schroeder, and Mars are all eating today. And Sally and Peppermint Patty don't really care to eat. They'd rather play, wouldn't you, hun? Yep. Let's look at Mom. Looking through the glass. Yesterday, Mom was eating all the food. Doing a good job, guys. Don't you want to play somewhere else? Hmm? Don't you want to play somewhere else, Peppermint Patty? No? Just gonna hang out with me? You all done, Schroeder? Good boy. You ate today. Your two sisters are gonna clean it off. Good job. Are you just looking, hon? Oh. Biting each other. Oh, it might hurt. It's little teeth now. Ow! No, retribution. Come on, Schroeder. You want to join the fun? Come on, buddy. There you go. These are pants you can rip with your little nails, and I don't care. You two are getting mean in there. Your brother might take care of you. Oh, lots of biting. Schroeder. 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 Look this way, hon. You gonna break up your sister's fight? And these two haven't stopped. They're still going at it. Good girls. Ah, you're going after your brother now, eh? Come on, Schroeder. I think it's time to get you some water.